Welcome viewer.
It's COS 9.
This video tutorial describes fix Windows 11 10 not booting due to BCD file being corrupted. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find your boot drive and Windows drive. Type bootrec /fix mbr. Type bootrec /fix boot. If any error, use bootsec /nt60 sys. Bootrec /fix boot. Type a trip /c:\boot /bcd -h -r -s. Type ren c:\boot /bcd bcd.old. Type bootrec /rebuild BCD, type A. Type BCD boot Windows directory /Windows /s booter /f all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.